But let me tell you about my little slice of the pie, which is that I am counsel along with the Trump electors bringing their lawsuit in federal court here in Arizona, along with Sidney Powell. And let me tell you, I was very skeptical from the limited amount that I heard on the news about this case. I didn't really think too much about it because I try to only think about cases that I have. When Sidney Powell called me up and said, let me show you what we've got, I went to a restaurant. I bought myself a nice steak dinner. I looked at the documents, and I said things that are not mentionable because I see children in the crowd. But what we think that we have identified is categories of voter fraud leading to about 100,000 fraudulent ballots that were counted in Arizona's election. What were these categories? First, direct manipulation of the results on the electronic voting systems here in Arizona. And second, various categories of illegal ballots that were counted and legal ballots that were not counted. So, for instance, out-of-state voters submitting ballots when they shouldn't have been registered to vote in Arizona. Been lax about this stuff for far too long. But I go through this litigation. I go, well, I can still be skeptical, but I am smart enough to know when I'm dealing with guilty people, and the guilty people have a very particular way of acting. So let me tell you how guilty people act. Yesterday, Maricopa County's counsel got on a phone call with 20 other lawyers, tried to out the name of one of our witnesses who was fearful for their life so that everybody could hear his name and so they could threaten him. Then he threatened to jack up one of my co-counsel. This is not the behavior of innocent people. So we've got our hearing on Tuesday on motion to dismiss. If we prevail, we've got a hearing on Thursday on summary judgment. And this case is not going to be won or lost at the district court, right? The name of the game in this case is to get it and all of the similar cases proceeding in other states around the country up to the U.S. Supreme Court as quickly as possible. We got a deadline. We got to do it by the 16th. And so we're rushing to do it. I'm going to go back to the office. I'm going to rush some more, but I appreciate the invitation to speak, and thank you all for hearing me.